crazy! Welcome back to another wonderful vlog here today on this partially cloudy day here at Fun Spot Atlanta. This is probably one of the highest requested vlogs that people wanted me to do. Now, I'm gonna walk over here near this water. We're going to do some construction update touring of the new RMC that's coming here, along with just visiting the park and having some fun because I've never been here before. So I'm just wandering around, just got here. It's $5 parking to get here, along with, they gave me a $5 Fun E-card thing along with the parking, so that was really cool. Let's go out in here, have some fun. Let's go have ourselves an adventure. All right, so first things first, as you guys can see right here, it is a Wednesday and there's nobody here. There's nobody here. It looks like I'm in a parking lot right here, because depending on the old layout of this land, I believe it was Dixieland before prior. Now it got purchased by Fun Spot. It is their 23rd anniversary, that is, and we're here today. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna get on what I heard was a rather janky roller coaster. I think it's called Screaming Eagle. There's also like a Wacky Worm type coaster, and the RMC's not ready yet. But we're gonna look at where that would be located, and also some other fun things that they're dropping here at the park, such as the Johnny Rockets will be coming this summer. But if you look here, this is really, really interesting that one of the rides are right here. So it looks like a drop tower or something, or some sort of ride is now down. But there's a lot of construction happening around here. Let's go enjoy and explore this park. Now you can see the ride that I was talking about right here. I can literally just walk up here and touch it if I want to. So I'm not sure when this will be back up, or what they're going to do with it, or if this was going to be torn down for the construction of the RMC of some sort. So I'm not sure, but it's just right here. So you have the go-karts around there, more of the track around there, and then if you look and peek right on through there, you can see their big coaster at the moment. So yeah, and then the Ferris wheel. There's a lot for us to tour around and look at. By the way, I must say, as I walk near this arcade area, that all the staff, everybody's super, super friendly. So good job with that. So they have a diner right here. I love this theming over here of like an old Western style theme, and it looks really, really good. Like, especially in this section right here, it's kind of Dollywood-esque. Like, I mean, really nice. It's super empty, like I said. Parking spaces here, a smaller go-kart track right here, so that's what you see there. And has the directions for you all right here, where it says the outside, Ferris wheel, go-karts, mini golf, bumper boats, kiddie rides, drop zone. I wonder if that was drop zone over there, huh? But scream and swing, and then restaurants, everything arcade, they have inside stuff. The cool thing is this park is open year-round, which is a really cool thing, but the inside stuff is open during the winter, while the outside stuff is closed during the winter. So similar to Six Flags Over Georgia, but they keep some things open all year round. Here you are, you can get a better look at some of this theming. I think they're just a lot of prop stuff. You can't actually go into majority of these, but it looks nice on the outside. I mean, like you could shoot a movie here back in the olden days if you really wanted to, if you could get inside. You know, obviously build some more props and stuff around here, but I mean, it looks nice. This is good theming for what it is. Completely empty. So what we're gonna do first, get a lay of the land, because I've never been here, and just walk around, see what there is, and then we're gonna hop on some rides here today, because everything complete walk-on. You also have the arcade right in there, so that's super cool. Oh man, you have a giant chair here with a nice backdrop. Look at that. Nice little water fountain package there. Some more Western theming that you guys can see. And then look at that, the Scream and Swing. It doesn't look like it's operating today. Looks really cool though. Some of the rides right here, all of this stuff, besides something over to the left, is actually closed right now, or it's not open at the moment, and mainly so it's probably because it's a weekday right now and the crowds are quite low. Might be open up a little bit later on in the day, or just weekend basis. You have a little kiddie swing right there. So this, I was mistaken, is the drop zone. So this is it right there, along with the little car ride. But the little drop tower right there where the little kiddies are, that they're heading up to, that is open. And then they have some benches right here, so a lot of space. I mean, if you look straight ahead, guys, There's so much room to build so much here. The RMC is going to be really, really big. As I just got here, they posted on their Instagram and their social media this picture right here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Now we've been talking in the community that this coaster will kind of be reminiscent of Goliath at Six Flags Great America, which I absolutely love. Look at this. This thing's going to be really crazy. Now they are introducing new things here during the summertime, so this is really good with like their anniversary, I think 23, 25 years. But also they are going to introduce a Johnny Rockets here starting this summer, so I cannot wait for that. I think that'll be a great addition, along with this park needs it from what I've heard, seen, and all that in regards to the other Fun Spot parks that are glorious. Now this one is newer of the franchise as far as being acquired by Fun Spot. Now it is going to get a revamp with this RMC that's coming, the Johnny Rockets that's coming. This thing's going to be transformed. I really, really believe. Look at the theming right here with this mine train right there. That is super cool. I know that was super long-winded, but it was needed to be said. Major shout out to Tristan, one of the team leads here. Super cool guy. Spoke to him for about 10-15 minutes. Wow, like again, incredible staff here. But they have a Ferris wheel straight ahead, and over here to my right is where the RMC will be located. All right, I am now on the Ferris wheel. So if you look straight ahead near the highway, this is where the RMC will be located, right here along the highway, which is really great and amazing because it's right by the highway, so it's going to bring in all the traffic. Everybody's going to see it. It's going to bring in a huge crowd that you guys see this amazing red, white, and blue RMC coaster just out and about. It's gonna be really great. But guys, look at this. It's gonna be a really good and like good sized coaster. It actually will be bigger, it appears, than Twisted Cyclone. So I'm really excited about that. But that's your construction update of where the RMC is going to be. Just enjoying a little bit of Ferris wheel action solo by myself here on this lovely Wednesday at Fun Spot Atlanta. By the way, again, super, super friendly team members. I can't say more about them. Tremendous. So also from what I've heard, they're probably gonna tear down the drop zone right there and do something over here. They're gonna keep the scream and swing that you see right there. But again, you have a nice like themed water fountain over there, waterfall rather, of the mini golf course that's gonna be right near the RMC coaster. But you can see so many cool things, like there's so much room for growth here. So this Ferris wheel goes around twice, so that's really nice. I get more time. You can see some construction equipment back there. Soon you can see around the track they're going. But I love what I see. A lot of room for potential and growth. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. This spot is going to be one of the great spots to visit here for coaster enthusiasts in due time. Just in general, it's gonna be really fun, a great fun Atlanta spot to just enjoy some coasters and some good food in due time. Wow, since it was so slow, they actually let me get on that for free. Now, I do need to mention, since I just said that, you do have to pay per ride, per attraction. So it's not a admission thing. So if you just want to ride one thing here, you have to just pay for that one thing. So the prices vary between $10 and $5. Usually the bigger thrill rides are $10, like the coasters and stuff. I wonder how much the RMC is going to be. That's a great question. Like probably like $20, I don't know. Would you guys pay $20 to ride that RMC? But I'm super curious to know how much, since it's a pay per ride park, how much will that RMC be? That's a great question, but shout out to everybody here. All the team members are tremendous. I love this so much. These little bumper water ride here. Super, super cool. Got the little pink elephant that's squirting water. You can also squirt water at each other on the ride, but I like this, especially if it's a hot, sunny summer day. It would be really amazing. So cool though. We're gonna get on this soon. I really would like one of these down at Six Flags Over Georgia, to be honest with you. Now we're taking a look inside of the arcade here. You have mirrors that you can see right there, but they have some traditional arcade standard games here. That looks super, super fun. But along with this, they have Mortal Kombat 3. If you step up right there, they have Marvel superheroes. NBA Jam? They have NBA Jam right here. Who else loves NBA Jam? And Miss Pac-Man? Oh my goodness. This arcade is kind of big. Like, it's a good-sized arcade. They have mechanized attack right here. You can play this, like, old-school classics meets some newer classics as well. But they have some good things, like, all the way back there as well. You can have, like, a birthday party inside there, as you can see, kind of themed. You can down the clown if you want to. Some pretty neat things, I'm not gonna lie. I like what I see. It's really nice and AC in here. Look at this right here. I did not know they had this inside. This is super cool. They got the Dodgems. Bumper car action though. Wow. And then this is like the food hall. They even serve Nathan's hot dogs, which I love. So this is like one of their food venue areas right here inside. It's nice to see. Got the little kitty artwork around there like it's a preschool or a daycare, but kind of cool. This isn't running at the moment yet. By the way, the Scream and Swing that was outside that I talked about, it'll probably be opening up later on in the day. But look at this. Kind of nicely themed, a lot of space and great AC. If you guys can't tell, there's so much room for growth. So much room for growth here at this park. And I believe it's gonna happen soon. Oh, also fun thing, they have laser tag too through these doors. How cool was that and how nice was that arcade? Also, guest relations is in there so you can refill your Fun E-card to ride some rides in there. So these are indeed open, it's just one person operating all of them. But Drop Zone is not open and the zip line are closed, and this isn't open yet today. Look at all this land behind me. Look at all this land here. There's so much room for growth and expansion, which they're already initiating. Plus, even in this area, you can add in a show or two here just to have. Just to give you all an idea, you have like a few rides over there and their coaster. You have the bigger go-kart course along with the smaller one there. And then all the other rides and attractions that I showed you over there along with the Ferris wheel over there. And the RMC will be back there. Super excited about that. And then all of the Western theming and then the arcade, laser tag, food, venues, all in there. This is the scale of Fun Spot Atlanta right here. And it's going to be packed with a lot of guests and enthusiasts alike. Will all be here soon enough. And they have Dippin' Dots too as well. All right, you guys had your construction update tour. Let's go have ourselves some fun. Let's get on the coaster and some other few attractions. I already did the Ferris wheel. Let's go have some more fun here. All right, so I just added $10 on my card from the arcade there. I'm gonna get on the bumper boats here in a second and the 2 coaster credits here. I've heard some things about it. Let's go give them a try. Yes, the bumper boats are right here, but it looks like it's about to rain here in a second. So I'm trying to get onto this coaster here really quick. Here's the kitty credit right here, but we're going straight ahead for this other one. There it is as I'm by the paratrooper, and they have a scrambler here. Sorry, I'm a little zoomed in. Look at that. Off-ride shots. Oh man. I heard it's kind of janky. Let's go give it a try. We're going up the lift hill. I've heard mixed things about this coaster. We're gonna find out here in a second how it is. It's already loud. I'm the only one on it, by the way. The only one. You can't have hats or sunglasses. Here we go. Let me hold on to this thing tight. Here we go. Oh! Crazy. That thing was super weird. I don't know, I'm by myself, so the weight of it was off, but it was super fun though. So just got off. It's still on the GoPro here. That thing has some forces to it. That wasn't as janky as what I've heard, what other enthusiasts have said, but it's up there. Wow, crazy. What is it, a Wild Eagle or a Screaming Eagle? Something like that. Next up, we have this like little kiddie dragon coaster here. Nice little layout. We're gonna go on it in a second. But like I said, it's a weekday, so I'm just waiting for them to finish operations elsewhere. and then they should be back over here to help me out on this little kitty crate with the other coaster over there. $5 for that. So you got some things around here, and I believe $5 for this as well. Here we go, going up the lift hill. And we're off. Two times around, a little bit of laterals there. And we're going down. Oh dang, that was rough right there. Little dragon, carry me home. Go, got a +2 here at the park. 2 additional coaster credits here that I haven't gotten before. So cool, that was super fun. All right, so while I was on the little kiddie coaster, it started to rain a little bit. So I'm gonna get on the water bumper boats, and then we're heading out for the day, and probably will be back again soon. I had quite the fun time. She's my whole vibe for the summertime. Go do your own thing, relax, and have fun. Oh man, that is so awesome. So I couldn't bring you guys with me to film. I left my GoPro strap mount, my GoPro chest mount, oh it's super sunny now, at home, so I needed both hands for that, but I'll take you guys along with me next time. And with that being said, that'll do it for me today at Fun Spot Atlanta for my very first visit, and definitely will not be my last, as I'm going to keep you guys up to date on the construction update of the RMC that's all the way over there, along with just enjoying some other fun things here. Look at all this space for them to grow and expand. Yeah, had a lot of fun, and such a top-notch staff here of just the team members were super friendly, helpful, everything, some free rides. It was awesome. But guys, thank you guys so much for joining me on this adventure. Stay tuned, we'll be back with a lot more here and just more on the channel. But guys, thank you guys so much yet again. Till my next adventure, take care, be well, subscribe if you guys are new, and have a thrilling day. This is where the new RMC is gonna be, guys. What do you guys think? You guys excited? So if you enjoyed the video, you can support the channel via Patreon, where we have all new live streams and exclusive content and giveaways that are dedicated to the patrons on the exclusive Miguel the Annual Passholder Patreon page. And also, if you like looking nice, you can support the channel via our merchandise shop at annualpassholder.shop. You can find amazing t-shirts and hoodies, such as this one, that you guys can purchase for the low. And feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray, and like this video if you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much, and have a thrilling day.